In the rolling countryside of Northumberland, where the hedgerows buzz with life and weather can change its mind 3 times before breakfast, a rare breed of black bee goes about its important business. Now, these remarkable little workers spend their days visiting wildflowers and gathering nectar and producing a rich aromatic honey packed with character and flavour. Now, imagine taking this remarkable liquid gold and introducing it to the smooth, warming embrace of dark rum. At first it sounds like an unlikely meeting. One side dressed in a tiny striped jumper and the other arriving in a Caribbean shirt and wearing sunglasses. But together they create something rather special. The distinctive sweetness of Northumberland black bee honey melts seamlessly into the deep dark notes of rum, bringing layers of caramel and vanilla and oh, sod this for a game of soldiers. Listen, this is called Black Bee Rum. It combines black bee honey with rum. Let's give it the Tim Bush Channel taste test. Here we go. And that is absolutely banging. Well, this is absolutely delicious. The flavours of vanilla and that spiced rum and honey come through perfectly. Now, I'm drinking this neat because the ABV is only 37.5, so you could sip that all day long. In fact, I don't think this bottle's going to last too long in my house. Another thing this would be perfect for is a cocktail. Any rum cocktail would be amazing with this, especially something like a dark and stormy, maybe a pina colada, or maybe a rum old fashioned would really benefit from the Black Bee Rum. Another thing to mention is the bottle, which is really cool. So what they've done is they've embossed the glass with a honeycomb pattern, and then they've stamped a brass bee on the front, which looks really cool. So it'd be an ideal gift for somebody. Now, you probably won't be able to find this at your local supermarket, so you probably have to order it online. But if you check out the website that's down below now, which is www.blackbeerum.com, so really easy to remember. Obviously, thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and check out some of the other rum videos, all on the Tim Bush channel. Thanks for watching. Bye-bye.
You have been watching the fabulous Tim Bush channel.